Hi everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a name you've probably heard in every chemistry class, Amedeo Avogadro. While his name is often associated with numbers and laws, there's so much more to this remarkable scientist. Let's dive into his life, his groundbreaking ideas, and the legacy he left behind. Amedeo Avogadro was born on August 9, 1776, in Turin, Italy, into a noble family. Now, here's an interesting twist. He didn't start his career as a scientist. Like many in his family, he trained as a lawyer. But his curiosity about the natural world was too strong to ignore. Eventually, he shifted his focus to science, particularly physics and mathematics. That decision turned out to be a game changer, not just for him, but for all of us who study chemistry today. In 1811, Avogadro made a bold claim that would change science forever. He proposed that equal volumes of gases, under the same temperature and pressure, contain an equal number of particles. Sounds straightforward to us now, right? But back then, it was a revolutionary idea. This principle, which we now call Avogadro's law, provided a crucial link between the developing atomic theory and the experimental data scientists were gathering at the time. Then there's Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 to the power of 2 cubed. It's one of the most famous constants in science. This number tells us how many atoms or molecules are in 1 mole of a substance. Think of it as a bridge between the microscopic world of atoms and molecules and the macroscopic world we can measure. Without it, modern chemistry as we know it simply wouldn't work. Here's the thing, Avogadro didn't get the recognition he deserved during his lifetime. His work was either misunderstood or ignored by many of his peers. Can you imagine how frustrating that must have been? It wasn't until decades later, in 1860, that a scientist named Stanislaw Cannizzaro brought Avogadro's ideas back into the spotlight at an important scientific congress. Finally, Avogadro's work got the recognition it deserved. Avogadro's contributions didn't stop at his law or his number. His ideas laid the foundation for molecular chemistry, shaping how we understand chemical reactions and measure substances. He was a true pioneer, transforming the way we think about matter itself. But what makes Avogadro's story truly inspiring isn't just his scientific achievements, it's his determination. Despite being overlooked and misunderstood, he never gave up on his ideas. His life teaches us the importance of staying curious, persevering in the face of challenges, and daring to think differently. So, what can we learn from Avogadro's story? First, great ideas often take time to be appreciated. Second, perseverance and curiosity can lead to extraordinary discoveries. And third, science is all about challenging the status quo and pushing boundaries. Thank you so much for joining me in exploring the incredible life and work of Amedeo Avogadro. His legacy continues to inspire students, teachers, and scientists around the world. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts or questions about this amazing figure in science.